Red Bull. This energy drink, with its iconic blue and silver can, has become a global phenomenon. It's not just a drink, it's a lifestyle, a symbol of energy and vitality that transcends borders and cultures. From the bustling streets of Tokyo to the sunny beaches of California, Red Bull is everywhere. Its presence is felt in every corner of the world, making it a truly global brand. But how did it become so ubiquitous? What's the secret behind its worldwide success? The answer isn't just in the can, it's in the story behind it. The answer lies in its ingenious marketing and sophisticated production process. Red Bull has mastered the art of branding, creating a product that is not only consumed but also celebrated. Red Bull's journey began in Austria and now spans over 160 countries. From its humble beginnings, it has grown into a powerhouse, influencing markets and cultures worldwide. Its slogan, "Red Bull gives you wings," is instantly recognizable. This catchy phrase has become a part of popular culture, symbolizing the brand's promise of energy and exhilaration. The brand is synonymous with extreme sports and pushing boundaries. Red Bull sponsors some of the most daring athletes and events, reinforcing its image as a brand for the adventurous and the bold. This essay takes you inside the Red Bull mega factory, revealing the fascinating processes behind the drink's creation. From the selection of ingredients to the final packaging, every step is meticulously planned and executed. Join us as we delve into the world of Red Bull, where high-tech manufacturing meets global marketing. Discover how this iconic drink is made and marketed to millions around the globe, and what makes it a leader in the energy drink industry. Imagine a factory that never sleeps, a place where the hum of machinery is a constant symphony. Here, robotic arms work tirelessly, moving with precision and speed, ensuring every task is completed flawlessly. This is the Red Bull Mega Factory, a testament to human ingenuity and automation, where every element is designed for efficiency. Within these walls, millions of cans are produced daily, thanks to cutting-edge technology that pushes the boundaries of what's possible. At the heart of the factory lies a symphony of high-speed production lines, each one a marvel of modern engineering. These lines churn out thousands of cans per minute with precision, ensuring that every can meets the highest standards. Every movement is calculated, every second optimized, creating a seamless flow of production that never falters. Highly skilled technicians monitor every stage, ensuring machines are calibrated to perfection and that every process runs smoothly. Their expertise ensures each can contains the same precise formula, maintaining the consistency that Red Bull is known for. This marriage of human expertise and advanced technology sets the Red Bull Mega Factory apart, creating a unique synergy that drives production forward. It's a place where innovation meets precision, delivering a consistent product globally, ensuring that every can of Red Bull is as perfect as the last. The journey of a Red Bull begins with sourcing the finest ingredients. From sugar to taurine, every component plays a crucial role in creating the distinctive taste. The process starts with aluminum, shaped and molded with incredible speed. The cans are washed, sterilized and branded to meet high standards. Meanwhile, the liquid gold is prepared with a secret formula. Technicians oversee the process with meticulous care. The filling and sealing of the cans take place in a sterile environment. The sealed cans are whisked away on conveyor belts, ready for packaging. The entire process is a marvel of efficiency and precision. From raw ingredient to finished product, it's a technological prowess. Reaching every corner, Red Bull's distributions and marketing prowess. Getting millions of cans from the factory to consumers is no small feat. Red Bull's distribution network is a logistical masterpiece. The company's reach is global. Its cans a familiar sight worldwide. Red Bull employs a multifaceted distribution strategy, adapting to local markets. The familiar blue and silver cans are a constant symbol of energy. But Red Bull's success isn't just due to efficient distribution. The company's marketing prowess is legendary, synonymous with extreme sports. Red Bull creates and supports events that push human boundaries. This mix of strategic distribution and daring marketing has propelled Red Bull to the forefront of the global beverage industry. The price of wings, controversies, and health concerns. Behind the sleek marketing lies a complex reality. Red Bull has faced controversy and health concerns since its inception. The high caffeine content has raised questions about potential long-term effects. Excessive consumption has been linked to anxiety, insomnia, and heart palpitations. The drink's high sugar content is another point of contention. Regular consumption of sugary drinks has been linked to health problems. Red Bull contains other ingredients like taurine whose long-term effects are not fully understood. Red Bull maintains that its product is safe when consumed in moderation. They argue that Red Bull is no different from other caffeinated beverages like coffee or tea. Balancing act enjoying Red Bull with awareness. In today's fast-paced world, energy drinks like Red Bull have become a popular choice for a quick boost. The Red Bull Mega Factory is a marvel of modern manufacturing. It's a place where innovation meets efficiency, producing millions of cans to meet global demand. The efficiency and precision of production are impressive. Advanced robotics and meticulous quality control ensure that each can meet the highest standards. However, the story of Red Bull includes potential risks and informed consumption. It's not just about the energy boost, it's about understanding what you're putting into your body. Red Bull should be enjoyed as part of a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle. Pairing it with nutritious meals and regular exercise can help mitigate some of the potential downsides. It's crucial to be aware of the potential risks associated with excessive caffeine and sugar intake. Overconsumption can lead to health issues such as insomnia, anxiety, and heart palpitations. Individuals with pre-existing health conditions should consult with their doctor before consuming Red Bull. This is especially important for those with heart problems or caffeine sensitivity. The debate surrounding the health effects of energy drinks is likely to continue. Experts and consumers alike have varying opinions on their safety and benefits. Moderation and informed choice are key. It's important to weigh the pros and cons and make decisions that align with your health goals. Red Bull can be enjoyed responsibly, but it's important to approach its consumption with caution. By staying informed and mindful, you can enjoy the benefits without compromising your health.